How to fix Snapchat subscription payment problem. Now, first things first is you have to verify on a certain payment method that you use while providing any subscription from Snapchat. You just have to make sure that you have sufficient fund of a payment wherein you will be buying from Snapchat itself. Now, the other thing that you have to double check as well is while doing or while paying on a checkout page, make sure that your internet connection is stable because while the payment is processing and then your internet connection suddenly uh, got disconnected, then that could be the main reason about that certain problem. But if you have verified all of them are correct, then all you have to do is just to get ahead and contact the support from Snapchat. So just open up your Snapchat application, and then at the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to see the gear icon. Tap on that. Now scroll all the way down till you find the Help Center page. Now this is where we can coordinate or contact the support. Scroll down again, and then on this portion right here that says need to get in touch, just simply tap on contact us. And there you just have to choose on the automated prompt on your screen. You just have to be specific on the context of the message that while doing the payment on your subscription or your feature plan, it is not letting me through. And I believe that's the last resort that we could do for us to be able to fix Snapchat subscription payment problem.